What's up everyone, Tech Mindset here. In today's video, we're unboxing the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. These AirPods were graciously loaned by a fan to be unboxed and tested, so I wanted to start my video by saying thank you for your support, and make sure to like and subscribe and give me ideas for future videos. Coming in a box not unlike the 1st generation AirPods Pro, you may mistake it for a 1st generation box, since the top of the box looks so similar. The AirPods placement is a little different on the 2nd generation, off-center as opposed to the side-by-side look of the 1st generation box. However, the sticker on the side and the text on the bottom of the box prove that it is indeed the 2nd generation AirPod Pros. With the 2nd generation H2 chip, the new Pros have a similar look and feel to last generation, but with some extra features under the hood. Let's start with the case. The case now supports MagSafe and also has a U1 chip inside for precision tracking like the AirTags. Lost the case in your room somewhere? Load up the Find My app on your iPhone that properly supports this, and when you're close, you'll get an arrow pointing you towards your lost case along with the distance from the case. Not only that, the 2nd generation case now has a speaker on the bottom by the charging port that plays a loud chime to help you locate it. Just like the 1st generation case, the 2nd generation has the same shape and glossy plastic, which makes it hard to hold on to sometimes, and it can pick up scratches and blemishes pretty easily. The new case now also has holes on the side to attach a lanyard, which means you don't have to put a bulky protective case on it just to have the lanyard. It's still bulky to have in my pocket, but at least when I want to put it in my backpack when I travel, I can use a lanyard and anchor it onto something in my backpack so I don't have to go around and fish for it. You can see in the side-by-side, if it wasn't for the speaker and the lanyard holes, there was no way I could tell it apart from the 1st generation case except for the wear and tear from the older case. Under the hood, the new AirPod Pros have improved active noise cancellation, as well as a new feature called Adaptive Transparency Mode, which will help reduce loud noises while still being able to hear things around you. The sound quality is improved, and they boast a longer battery life as well. Taking the 2nd generation AirPods Pros out of the case is the same experience as the 1st generation, with the satisfying click with the magnets holding the AirPods in the case, as well as the snapping sound when the case snaps shut. I'll show you a side-by-side look between the 1st and 2nd generation AirPod Pros. The shape is pretty similar, and you can spot the difference with the smaller inside-facing grille on the new generation. There's also a grille on the top of the new AirPods that aren't present on the 1st generation. The 2nd generation AirPod Pros now support swiping gestures. Swiping up and down on the stem will increase or decrease the volume with a brief audio chime. I don't know about you, but this is a welcome feature for me, and it would save me having to yell out to Siri in public or in the middle of the night to turn the volume up or down. Worst case, I can always reach for my phone, but it's nice to have the other option now. Connecting the 2nd generation AirPod Pros to the iPhone is just as straightforward as it was with the 1st generation. All I have to do is open up the case next to the phone, and I see a pop-up screen with the new AirPods Pros on them, and I compare them. All I have to do is open the case next to the phone, and I see the pop-up, and it's a snap to pair them. Something I'm excited for is the improved in-ear detection, because my 1st generation AirPod Pros have issues where I put them in my ears and nothing seems to happen. The phone doesn't switch over to them. I think that might be the culprit, but I'm not sure. I'm really hoping that solves that though. All in all, really cool device, and can't wait to try it out more. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment for future ideas. That's all, and I'll catch you in the next one.